The official sportsbook of the MPBN, the Abra Solid North Weave, Quezon in black, Abra in their white threads.
The physical stature of Hierro, Cañete, and Tabi, even Fuentes can stand his ground defensively as Judel Fuentes gets his...
A good sign if you're Quezon. Fender to answer right back, and he hits it.
Great.
As a whole, shot the ball better, but pinukpok talaga sila sa loob ng Abra, and they had more rebounds, turnover points, and at that front court, he scores back-to-back baskets for a 4-point lead for the Huskers.
There was no guy who can get the ball on the post, as you see that David Defonso 3. Simon Sadagon was more of a guy who wanted to move off ball when you need.
Fuentes, pocket pass, Manzano, pasa sa labas, Tabi for 3, book it!
Tama, the adjustment now of para sa Huskers.
MoneyPay is the digital wallet built for the community. Fenner turns around, jumper is good.
It's gonna be very hard.
Also the rebound, Ayon dumps it down low, Uduba just checked in immediately.
Again, Sed Manzano and Will Macaloni, and that is something that we want to watch. This time around, it's Manzano forcing Drex to go outside and close.
14-11 past the halfway point of the first quarter. Ayon strokes in a trifecta. DJ Fenner trying to beat Campanal off the dribble, rising up for the jumper, making it look easy.
He is already 6'6" and talented and just whatever you want from here. He is getting the steal.
Look out, DJ taking flight, lays it in.
So Jake Figueroa, sabi siguro nila, kuha kayo ng malakas, kuha kami ng mas malakas pa. And they really want to get this back-to-back.
Lalata in traffic, able to finish. Nice.
Two of the big impact additions para dito sa Huskers.
Short roll, De Los Reyes off the glass and in. Under 3 minutes left, Patino now on the floor. Bagsak si De Los Reyes at si Macaloni.
Against Aldrich Ramos, who wants to play outside. You're going up against Mike Phillips, who continues to move. But this time, he is going up.
On the way down. Manal, 8 on their shot clock. Fenner, one-on-one again. It was, I thought it was a miss. I think he thought. Seen the pair of UP guards going at it. Manzano up and under against Raven Gonzalez. Fake. No whistle. Fenner, another three-pointer. And he puts it in to beat the buzzer.
Red hot first
To Encho Serrano. Tight pass. Naagaw ni Jolo Manansala. Quezon on the run. Abate rising up. Lays it in. Plus the foul. Pinag-uusapan natin no, na some guys, it's really tough for them to adjust in limited minutes, but he is taking...
Ika on time, nako, nakatingin na sa'yo ng masama yan. But obviously, both guys expected to make waves this season. Ken Wanitz.
Maraming salamat, Ika.
Today is just a testament to what system and culture NU has.
Yeah.
We saw earlier the guys like Monmon de la Cruz, Steve Nash, Enriquez, so shout out dito kay Coach Jeff Napa.
Siya yung nasa loob, one of the newest acquisitions for Quezon. John Abate. Jumper is good.
Getting more bird here in the...
Fuentes, open free. Cyrus Tabi, lista mo na yan.
I think that a lot, right? Here in the confidence, unheard of, but he's doing well in terms of his outside game.
De Los Reyes. Manansala comes in for John Abate. Manzano, De Los Reyes. Kakakiskisan bago pa
6'8".
Oh, it's not every day. 25.7.
Well, one really big difference to that, as we see that 3 by Judel Fuentes, relying more on the inside, a lot more post options. That's why it's the same system, but a different focus.
And it's been guys like Cyrus Tabi, Judel Fuentes hitting shots from free, and then you add it.
It's either the 4 guy goes up and then goes for the high-low to Sed Manzano, or Sed Manzano goes up and goes for the mid-range shot,
Showing it immediately. His return here with the Quezon Huskers. Manzano off that nice assist. Fuentes, nakawala. Fading away. No good. Patino. 4 guys on the deck. It's a jump ball. Possession arrow pointing to the Weaver. Dario drives. Blocked by DJ Fenner. Still enough time. Pitch ahead. Figueroa. The pass to David Defonso to cap off the first half. Rebound tracked down by Figueroa, but stolen away by Tabi. Finds Fuentes ahead. Blocked by DJ Fenner. Tabi, the follow-up.
Good leak out pass. Nakita na ni Fuentes. Medyo dumila. Pero sabi ni
DJ whips a pass to Jake Figueroa. Goes downhill. The finger roll from Figueroa. This is the ball game. Pocket pass Manzano. Almost shuffled his feet. Inside, Cañete will float it up and in.
that was the emergency pass.
Fuentes in front of him. DJ just rose up despite the back the other way. Fuentes, another three-point attempt. Book it!
Good swing pass.
In the MPBL, hopefully makasuit up for the Quezon Huskers this July to August, hopefully.
Also part of the guys that they added. But how about this guy, DJ Fenner? Perhaps his best. DJ Fenner wants it against Jolo Manansala. Stepping back. Oh man.
It's always been short for Will Macaloni. Back-to-back short jumpers.
DJ sumugot. The bump and the finish. Diego Dario surveying the floor. Pulls up from three. Good.
Specialty of the house. Ito si Diego Dario. You can't go under him. That's always been there. That's a terrific three coming from Diego.
Ildefonso. Oh my. Undeterred.
But the upper body strength, even with a good clean defense coming from Will Macaloni. But this
3-point lead. Macaloni more decisive this time. No straight. Another one to Mike Ayonayon. Mintis de los Reyes nakuha yung rebound and got the better.
this quarter, his energy and his movement has been crucial for them to
Until the pass. Dave ahead to Sean. Back to DI for free. Yes, sir!
These two are just in sync. If you
Capanal, swing pass. Open look. Cañete hits it from the corner.
na hinahanap natin.
David Defonso, DJ Fenner, Jake Figueroa, Drex de los Reyes, and Mike Ayonayon. The response from DI.
They were tempted with that little space, but Ayonayon quick to recover to get the block.
Defonso recovers, puts it up, puts it in!
I'm sure when he was recovering, something that you could do.
Getting past David Defonso. Manzano kick out. Hierro for free. Short. Manzano battling down low. He finally scores his first basket of the second half. Cyrus Tabi against Mike Ayonayon. Gets it back from Seth Manzano. Manzano dives. Can't finish, but a follow-up from Jolo Manansala.
That's the reason why he's
Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sportsbook of the MPBL. Skip pass to Jake Figueroa. 6 on the shot clock. Gonzalez and someone was caught out of position. Mike sees a gap. Gonzalez fouled. And he'll shoot 2 free throws.
Ang maganda dito kay Raven Gonzalez and all the eyes.
Gets it. Rising up over David Defonso. Straight but short. Figueroa tracks it down and gets it to DJ Fenner.
Saktong-sakto.
What an effort by Jake.
But that full court pressure of Quezon can be surprising.
Fenner just getting out of the pack.
What was sa physicality doon? Was he a running back?
Ayun. Mintis pareho. Door slightly open for Quezon. Tabi, hinahanap si Fuentes. Judel, 10 seconds left. Not a lot of time left. Fuentes for free, no good. Manzano the rebound. 3 seconds left, and that's gonna do it. The Abra Solid North Weavers will survive. And this game lived up to the billing, Coach Juanito.
Well, this felt like a playoff game. This is what we want. Good, elite, high-level basketball.